don't know what we have to do now. There is nothing, seriously nothing. Here was a chest, obviously there will be nothing. And I don't know what is shining here, but this is the last day. I'm very sad, guys. Shit. Seriously, guys. Oh! Shit! So, I was almost, I've almost escaped. Little bit left, but I couldn't. I'm very sad. The padlock code was only left, but I don't know where it is because I found everywhere, but it didn't got that. We'll try anytime, but this game is very much difficult if I compare it to our normal granny, that is chapter 2 granny. I think it's chapter 1 that granny is Minecraft version. That's the first part that came. So nothing, we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye guys, subscribe my channel for more contents, gaming videos. Bye bye.